CE4021 Pervasive Network, Assignment 1. Title: Exploiting 4G Mobile User Cooperation for Energy Conservation, Challenges and Opportunities. Author: Bechir Hamdi, and Tamara Al-Shamari, Oregon State University, Mohsen Guizani, Qatar University. Source: IEEE Wireless Communication, Volume 20, Number 5, October 2013, page 61. Do you know why 4G is being popular nowadays? The answer is high-speed data transmission. 4G has the fastest data transmission rate, compared to other choices such as 2G and 3G. Thanks to 4G, people are connected all the time regardless of the geographical separation, but power consumption always remains the major problem for the handheld devices. Luckily, researchers have found that cooperative networking can reduce power consumption. With the usual network, more power is needed, in direct communication with mobile tower, depending on the distance. But, with user cooperation, sender can save a lot of power, by forwarding the data with the help of neighbors. The bright future is there. Let's come out with the idea of how to integrate this technology to real life. The three challenges we need to overcome are: incentive mechanism, enforcement strategies and relay selection. User cooperation may shy away users from participating due to various factors. Hence, it is essential to consider data forwarding as a paid service. Incentive mechanism. Cost paid by source. Source node pays the intermediate nodes. Relay will be rewarded with some cash. Source node sends the packet with a sufficient amount of cash, and intermediate nodes get paid by forwarding the packet. Cost paid by destination. Intermediate node buys packet from previous node, and sell it to next node with higher amount. Cost paid by virtual bank. The source node sends the packet with the receipt, which is signed with its private key. Relay nodes will keep the receipt, and the receipt will be sent to third-party clearance center to exchange with the cash. Later virtual bank will charge source or destination using a fair policy. Enforcement strategies. The strategy is used to find the selfish user in the network. Each node in the network will have its own reputation value, and this value determines the selfish user. Each node's reputation is increased when the node forwards the message. First-hand reputation. Every node monitors the neighbor's RV, and keep it in its own local record. Second-hand reputation. One node report misbehaved node to the entire network, by sending alarm. Once the reputation value of one user fall under the threshold, the node will be isolated in the network. Relay selection scheme. Sometimes it might need to use only single relay to forward the data, but sometimes might need multiple relays, depending on the distance. There are certain ways to select single relay. Number 1. Choose the best SNR link. Number 2. Best-worst channel selection. Choose the node with lowest SNR from each pair first. After that, re-choose the highest SNR node, from the selected nodes. Number 3. Nearest neighbor selection. Select node nearest to the base station. Multiple relay selection. Number 1. Highest SNR selection. Select a set of nodes that have highest SNR. Number 2. Lowest transmission time. Select a set of nodes that have highest SNR. After that, split the data and send through the selected nodes. All of the challenges can be overcome by the methods described earlier. Thank you for watching. This animation is presented by Htoo Maung, Pwint Thein, Aung Kyaw Win, Pradeep, Joey.